Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today it is November 5th. It's Wednesday and it didn't go too well today. As you can see on the Express I got B and I blew my combine. I was $90 away from passing the combine and I blew it. So and it was just my fault basically. I keep making the same mistakes, which is the reason why this account is not in profit and why I've never had a Express in more than $300 in profit and I always keep losing. It's because I just make mistakes all the time. So coming into today, I wanted to see us trade lower into this 1 hour gap because I was thinking we were bullish in a higher time frame, which was correct, and we did. As you can see here, I posted it 12 minutes before market open. This is what I wanted to see, and it is exactly what happened. But I still did not make any money. So we had this SMT externally. We had an internal SMT right there. We were in the 1 hour. We reacted up. I was waiting for... What was I waiting for? Yeah, I was waiting for the 1 minute inversion and I was gonna enter. I don't know why I got this bad of entry. I'm not sure at all. I think I was waiting for a little bit of a pullback and it didn't happen. We just went up and I entered. And I was gonna go break even at this high, but we just came up to the high, didn't take it, reacted off of these weeks and came into the 15 minute again and I decided to go break even. So I went to break even early. For one of the reasons was I was in a call with my friend and he said he went break even and I didn't want to take a loss, even though I knew it was straying away from what my original idea was, but I didn't want to take a loss if he went B, so I went B as well, and also I wanted to protect capital. But this was a fucking terrible B, very bad. No reason to go B when we have this high, these highs. No, none taken. We should not want to sweep again. We have the SMTs. We have reacted in the 1 hour. No reason to take this low again. But I went B and I was thinking, yeah, I will probably re-enter after I get stopped out, which is also stupid in my opinion. Why go BE with the risk of missing the opportunity and not getting a re-entry? If you still think this low won't get hit, there's no reason to get stopped out break even just because you're scared of it going down. To okay, yeah, I'll just re-enter. Why? It's just fucking better to stay in the trade then. Yeah, so the re-entry was here and I didn't take the re-entry, which that is also why I got very tilted. I didn't take the re-entry because ES was so close to taking this low, which it didn't. So we made these relative equal lows and then we made this low and I want to see this push up, but then we made another low here and then we get the push up and I didn't enter, and I should have entered like this with the stop loss at that low and the target right there, and it just ran straight to the TP and I got very, very upset and I broke my headset and I broke my phone and things, and here I was just super tilt. So, and I saw some confirmation right here. We had an internal SMT. We were in a 1 hour or 1 hour bearish, I believe, and then we get this close, desist in the 30 seconds, so I enter short 10 contracts. I first went long, but I exited right away, and then I went short. TP hit. I was 500 for the day about. Then I went long after this confirmation. The 15-second inversion assist and hit TP. I was up $1,080 on the day and I was $90 away from passing the account. And I decided to try to pass it today. So here I went long, lost. Then I went short, or I don't even know. But yeah, I at least just lost money, and there was like 2 trades that were 1 tick away from take profit, and though if it just would have hit, it would have made me funded or passed the account, but they didn't hit and I just kept losing more, sizing more and more contracts, and then I eventually blew the account. So yeah, very bad day, and I just need to focus on having a combine and express at the same time doesn't really work for me. It has shown it doesn't work. If there is a good trade and then I hesitate sometimes, and I only take it on the combine and get upset because I didn't take it on the express, and it just doesn't work. So now I'm only gonna trade on the express, and I'm only gonna trade on the express, and I'm gonna size quite big. I know I risked quite a lot on this trade actually because the RR wasn't too great. Okay, yeah, I risked like $460. I'm gonna, right now my RR hasn't been the best. I'm hoping to get better RR, but I'm gonna try to like risk 400 or something on a trade. There's no reason to try to risk little. It just takes too much time. So I'm gonna risk around 400 and hopefully be able to get a payout soon. And I'm not gonna be scared to enter anything or go B too early. I'm done with doing things that just keep me from reaching my goals. So time to start doing trading. So easy. It's like super easy in reality, but I'm just retarded, I think. But yeah, so I'm just gonna do exactly what I know I need to do. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.